Okay, we can take a few questions. Okay, the gentleman here.
Hello, good evening to all of you. Nitish, my question is to you. First of all, hats off for creating that canteen guy character in Chichore. Uh, so the question is like while writing, when the about in one scene, Naveen Polishetty comes and asks something about food, and that guy replies that melody khao khud jaan jao. So while you were writing it, okay, so like on script level, it sounds like it's okay. But when I'm watching the film, I'm clapping it on the screen. वो punch deliver हो रहा है. So how do you judge that कि ये punch मतलब ये चीज वहाँ पे ऐसे deliver होगी कि नहीं?
No, what happens is that first of all, you need to be very clear as a writer that what you've written has the potential of becoming funny. You know? And secondly, as a director, that's where the director comes into the picture and he says, how do you want the actor to deliver that particular line so that it just doesn't remain a line on the paper, it becomes much nicer. Okay, so as a writer, you know, you have put this guy in a very vulnerable position where he was thinking that he's a dude, he's cracked his JE and he's come to the best institute. उसकी आधी हवा तो क्लर्क ने निकाल दी, बोलता वाह बेटा लगता तुम गूखा की मानोगे, जाओ चख के देख लो. Then he says फिर मेरे को मालूम करना था कि H4 में इतना बुरा क्या है. Then he meets Sexa. So he is completely getting disillusioned and that is the final nail in the coffin कि भाई साहब ये आलू है कि कद्दू. And that's where the line comes. That line needed to have an almost I don't give a damn attitude from the mess worker. And that guy had a very funny smile. The guy, Pandu guy. So that is how we took the shot. You know, he has to smile and he's like, I don't even care. You know, he says, Melody khao, khud jaan jao. And he goes back to cleaning the plate. And this guy says, no, I have decided, you know, now I have to go and change the hostel. So that is how you plan. You know, when you write it in a graph. And when you perform, you try to get the best way to perform. So maybe that's why it landed for you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
The lady there at the end there.
Hi, this is Priyanka from Indian Express.
Hi, Priyanka.
Hi, Sajid, my question is to you. When you approach a film like Chichore, whose script and directors are the star, and when you approach a film with Akshay or Salman, where of course they are the biggest stars, what's the difference from you, from your end?
When I approached Nitish sir, I don't think Nitish sir had released Dangal, so I didn't. He was not such a big star then. Sorry, sir, but so I just heard the script of Dangal, and I thought the man who can write such a film will have a lot of things in his backyard. So I'm unfortunate I couldn't get this script, but let's go for the next one. So that's when the director comes in. When the actor comes in, because I'm a producer, I'm not a director. When I write Kick, that's a different story. But when I produce, I have this opportunity of making 4 films a year. So I can select a good director, I can select a good script, I can select a good star, I can select a loud comedy film like Houseful. I have this luxury of doing this. Nitesh sir doesn't have that opportunity because he does one film. He has to give his heart all out to it. I have this opportunity as a producer that I can give in my life for Nitesh sir, Imtiaz Ali, Kabir, 83. At the same time, let people enjoy in a film like Houseful. So as a producer, I have that luxury.
Hi, my question is Sai sir. Sir, what is more important for you, content or a star? Because we all know that industry run on the mass movie, and from the collections of the mass movie, this content movie is produced. So what is your take, sir?
See, both run for content. I can run with content. We can run without stars, and with stars, I'm contented if they are stars. So there are 2 different things. But if these lethal combinations come together, then there's magic like Dangal, you know, like Sanju, or where there is content and Bajrangi Bhaijaan. There's magic comes in, and but otherwise you cannot, you know, if you want to see something like an aircraft takeoff, this is the best example, Chichore. It was like this on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and this is the 3rd week. We are strong all over the world, including New York, Australia. We're doing great. So the content, it both has equal. Star films are great on weekends. Contents are dangerous on weekends. They slowly grow in you, but till Sunday you are scared. What happens? Because Friday was bad for me to understand why it was not, because I'm used to Friday all shows full. Friday 9 o'clock nobody was there, not 5% or 10% or 12% opening. So that's very scary. Till 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, you are finished if you don't have a strong heart. Then suddenly 12 o'clock you get some news that people are walking in the theater. 7 o'clock becomes stronger, and by the whole day nobody calls you. By 9:30, 10 you get your first message, film's doing well. And then next Friday, next Saturday, then you have the people calling up that wonderful, yeah, you got a jackpot, and what a way you gambled, and suddenly all the flowers come in. But that Friday is the very, unlike when you make a film with stars, is Friday, Saturday, Sunday is brilliant, then by Monday, Tuesday you start getting the brick and bat. By the time you take off to some other city, that the film had a fall and it was only a weekend film.
Nice. Okay, yeah, the gentleman here in the white.
Hi, sir. My name is Gopal. My question is to you, both of you. Sir, you don't think that Indian cinema needs to change? I mean, with you all should make different movies with different concept, different ideas, something different which people haven't seen yet.
I think we are doing it. It's not
Yeah,
that. What you're saying, if I read you correctly, I think you've not managed to put it correctly. You are saying ki, when are we going to make films of the caliber of that Hollywood?
Yeah, exactly.
You need to understand one thing. See, what happens is a Hollywood movie has the whole world as their box office. They have India से Jungle Book 180 crore कमा के जाती है, So you understand, the kind of money they are able to afford to put into a project and the kind of time they are able to give, it's justified because they can see the revenues are going to come from here. यहाँ तो Bollywood film, हमारी अकेली हिंदी film भी 6 states में चलती है, पूरे इंडिया में नहीं चलती है. So you can see, the sources of revenues are very limited. So to expect a producer to put that kind of money in a project like Jungle Book, यहाँ तो बच्चों की फिल्मों को पैसे ही नहीं मिलता है. तो आपका revenues किधर है, So sooner or later, when things start changing with the likes of Bahubali and with the likes of other films, where you can start saying ki nahi, I can actually make a pan-India film. So let's start by making a pan-India film first, which is accepted across the country. We don't even have pan-India acceptance right now. Then slowly we can look for global acceptance, which some of our movies have done, but only in parts of world, not everywhere in the world. Maybe we will be able to have films with those kind of budgets which can be justified.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, and the lady in the yellow at the back.
नमस्ते सर, मेरा नाम ऋचा तिवारी है. मैं अभी सर छिछोरे देख कर आई हूँ कुछ ही टाइम पहले. तो जो उसमें कैरेक्टर्स हैं, जितने भी कैरेक्टर हैं, वो सारे बैलेंस हैं. कोई भी ऐसा नहीं लगता कि हम सुशांत या फिर श्रद्धा के लिए जा रहे हैं. तो वो मैंने जो आपने स्क्रिप्ट में कैसे किया, सभी को इम्पोर्टेंट मिली है हर कैरेक्टर को.
Yeah, this is something I would honestly admit this was one of the most challenging scripts me and my writers have written. इतने सारे characters, वो भी 2-2 timelines. Or to be able to do justice to it, so we did a very methodical procedure for this. I will just take little more time for you guys to understand it. We knew we were dealing with 2 timelines and there were multiple storylines, and some places they were overlapping. So what we did was, we have a big board out there in the office. We put post-its of 1992 and 2019. And separately, sir. So there was a timeline for 1992, there was a timeline for 2019, and they were in sequential order. So 92, dunk fight, he comes to, he wakes up in the car, then his conversation with the son. Then when you go back to the college, then 92 ka timeline came like this. So that is how we judged. 92 alone had to make sense on its own as a complete story. 2019 had to make sense on standalone as a story. Together, they had to make sense as a story. And then we went with each and every character arc, कि यहाँ पर इसका कुछ loose पड़ रहा है, यहाँ पर इसका कुछ loose पड़ रहा है. And that is how we manage, like Maya and Annie have a very sweet story in the past, but in the current also they are rediscovering, reliving those glorious moments. So what are the plot points you can improve? So this is how we kept on correcting till we were very happy with each and every character. It was a very tedious task, but very well worth it, is what I would say.
How wonderful, actually, yeah. Lovely. Thank you for a lovely film. Thank you for mixing up your choices.
I had lovely time talking to you.
Thank you very
so
much.
much.
Thank you.